student, hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Shahinul Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College. Welcome you all to today's Business Organization and Management class. Dear student, hope that everybody are ready with your book and your copy. Today I will start a chapter named Business Entrepreneurship, chapter 10. In this chapter, what you will learn, what is the outcomes of these topics. Business entrepreneurship, definition of business entrepreneurship and qualities of successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship can be for anything. If you take good initiative for your study purpose, this is also called one kind of entrepreneurship. But business entrepreneurship is another thing. Here I am going to discuss about business entrepreneurship. Business entrepreneurship is setting up business with a view to earn profit, knowing the inherited risks of loss. As you know that in business always risk and loss is related. By successful operating the business. So this is very clear. Dear student, if you do anything with your own initiative for the good thing, that time this is called entrepreneurship. But always in business entrepreneurship there is the intention for earning profit. Now I am going to discuss about difference between entrepreneurship and business entrepreneurship. Before some time I told about that entrepreneurship can be for anything. Like if you prepare anything for your own use, that time this is called entrepreneurship. But on the other hand, if you make anything for earning or for the intention of your earning profit, that time this is called business entrepreneurship. Like if you make something like any raw materials like can or bamboo, and if you display for this for the earning profit, that time this is called business entrepreneurship. Now let's talk about the qualities of successful entrepreneur. What do you mean by successful entrepreneur? Successful entrepreneur is a person who can take the initiative by assumption the uncertainties, and he can reflection his own creativity by the business. This is called a successful entrepreneur. So a successful entrepreneurship has so many qualities. Today I am going to discuss about that. Now I am going to discuss about these topics like creative mentality, first one. Second one is desire for achievement. Third one is foresightness. And fifth one is courage and intellectual. After that, patience and hard working. Risk-taking mentality. Number 7, ability to take decision. Number 8, dutifulness and sincerity. Communication ability, knowledge and about organization. So here I can give you one example. What do you mean by dutifulness and sincerity? Shifa does his work properly. When he doing his work, he cannot turn his attention to others. So in that case, what quality is reflected here? Of course, this is dutifulness and sincerity. This is dutifulness and sincerity. As you are the student, what is your duty? You must read on time, you must sit for the exam, you must listen to a teacher. This is your dutifulness and sincerity. Now let's talk about communication ability. It's a very good quality or great quality for a successful entrepreneur. As you know that nowadays, without communication, nothing can be done successfully. So a successful entrepreneur must have the communication ability so that he can communicate to other people rapidly, and must need to take the feedback also. Now let's talk about knowledge about organization. Of course, a successful entrepreneur have the ability to leading. So he have some potential quality like about this organization. If he has the knowledge about the organization, about the labor, about the materials, about the machines, about the money, about the market, hope that he can successful by his own business. Now let's talk about creative mentality. Creativity is a great quality for a successful entrepreneur. So for the successful entrepreneur, creativeness is very important. When any businessman can create anything for his own knowledge, he can innovate anything by his own potentiality, by his own willingness, that time this result will be very effective and very good for his business. So it's all about a good quality. Now, desire for achievement. What do you mean by desire for achievement? A successful entrepreneur must have the desire for success. If he don't have any intention for the success, the business cannot run properly. Intention is a very important thing for the entrepreneur. Now, let's talk about foresightness. Of course, this is a very good quality for the entrepreneur. That means foresightness. An entrepreneur must know what will happening in future or in advance. He must predict, and he have the quality because he must know in future what can be happening in the business. Of course, it's a very great quality. Now let's talk about courage and intellectual. Courage is very important for the entrepreneur. If a new entrepreneur don't have the brevity or intellectuality, he cannot tackle any situation. In business, there are lots of thousands of problems occur, but the entrepreneur can overcome this problem with his intellectual. Now let's talk about patience and hard working. Of course, patience and hard working is very common or very important quality for anybody, especially for the entrepreneur. All the success or any success never come on time, or sometimes they need a lots of time. For that reason, an entrepreneur must have the patience for the final result or for the final goal. If he don't have the patience, if he cannot complete the work with patience, he cannot success. Alongside with patience, hard working are matter. So an entrepreneur must have hard working. If he don't do anything with hard work, that time he cannot success properly. Now let's talk about risk-taking mentality. My dear student, when I have discussed about the business entrepreneur or entrepreneurship definition, that time I told setting up business with a view to earn profit, knowing the inherited risks. That means risks always related with business. So that time risk-taking mentality, of course, need to have the entrepreneur. Now let's talk about ability to take decision. It's a very important quality of an entrepreneur, because anytime any problem may happen, but an entrepreneur have the ability to take decision in right time, right decision, because thousands of problems, thousands of matter related with the business venture. So he has to take some decision to take rapidly or promptly. So these are all about a good quality for a successful entrepreneur. There are some other qualities, like what is the special quality for a successful entrepreneur. In that case, I can say that coping up with any changeable situation is a very good quality for a successful entrepreneur. On the other hand, my dear student, ability to leading to his subordinate is a special quality for the entrepreneur. And some other good quality like velocity, also a good quality, like visionary, ability to take decision, and these all are the good quality for a successful business entrepreneur, and you must learn it. This is not only for the successful entrepreneur. If you want to be a very good manager, as you are the student of commerce, so I think you must relate it in future with any administrative work. That time you must have this sort of quality for done your business successfully, like dutifulness, sincerity, communication ability, ability to take decision, knowledge about organization, risk-taking mentality, like patience, hardworking, courage, intellectual, foresightness, desire for achievement, creative mentality. All are a very good quality.